Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing well. Today I wanted to play around with some makeup for two reasons. Number one, I've started rewatching Pretty Little Liars recently. It's one of my favourite TV shows. Season 1's makeup is quite different from the later season's makeup, and it really reminds me of how I used to do my makeup. In particular, Hannah Marin's makeup. Her makeup in season 1 of Pretty Little Liars is very reminiscent of how I used to do my makeup in some ways. Her eyes in particular. I've got some photos here that I found. I used to do very heavy eyeliner, black eyeliner around my eyes, almost like a panda. And I loved it at the time. And recently I have been craving putting eyeliner around my eyes, and I think it is because I have started rewatching Pretty Little Liars. So I thought today I could retry the way that I used to do my old makeup, but with elements of how I do my makeup now. So I'm kind of mixing my old makeup with my new makeup and seeing how it goes. I've started by putting on my foundation. I don't know if I used to wear foundation. It looks like I might have, because in one of these photos of me, I have quite pale lips, so I've obviously put some sort of foundation on my lips. It's transferred on there, probably purposefully. And now I'm just gonna see where my makeup takes me, basically. I'm gonna start with concealer, which I don't think I used to do when I was younger, but I've been attacking my face today and I've got some red bits that I want to cover up, so I'm going to do that now. So this is the first bit of makeup that is new. This is the new makeup. This is the first bit of new. Okay, I'll put a little bit under my eyes, but not too much. Bit on here. I've clipped back my fringe so that it doesn't get in the way. I'm using the Makeup Revolution London Conceal and Define concealer in the shade C1. Blend that in. I think near the beginning of my channel, and when I first started watching PLL for the very first time, I tried to do a Hannah Marin makeup look video, and it did not go well. It never saw the light of day, that video. Hopefully today will go a bit better. Quite red around my nose. I'm very hot today, so yeah, I'm red. Okay, I should probably put a little bit of powder over the top of that concealer because I don't want it to crease. So I've got the e.l.f. powder. I don't know what it's called anymore, but it's in the colour Sheer. Let's use this giant brush. Oh, I just like using big brushes. I would usually do my eyebrows next in my new makeup routine. I didn't do any eyebrows when I was younger, but my eyebrow doesn't look bad in this picture that I'm looking at. But eyebrows just weren't a thing when I used to do makeup as a teenager. Maybe I won't do my eyebrows as heavily as I usually would because the eyes are going to be quite heavy, so we don't want it to be too crazy. I'm going to use the MUA eyebrow pencil in blonde. I can start using it now that my other one has completely run out. So eyebrows, the third new step is my eyebrows. I'm just gonna kind of fill them in, maybe I'll outline them a little bit because I like a big bold eyebrow. It's a staple in my makeup routine nowadays, big bold eyebrows. My eyebrow is feeling a little bit sensitive today. There we go, roughly filled in, that'll do. I should have brushed them first, I forgot. I usually do brush through my eyebrows. How? Oh god, oh, it's not looking good. Let me just brush through my eyebrows with this MUA Lash and Brow Defining Clear Gel Mascara, which is definitely not clear anymore. They're a bit different to how I'd usually do them, and I'm not used to this new brow pencil yet. Whatever, blah 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 blah. Okay, I'm thinking I'm not going to do any contouring or blush or anything on my cheeks. It's not really like a staple in the way that I do my makeup nowadays, so I'm going to leave that. Next we're going to do the scary part, which is the eyes. I don't know how I'm going to do this. I'm pretty sure I mostly used a black pencil, eyeliner pencil, and just went to town. So the black eyeliner that I have at the moment is Barry M Kohl pencil in the colour 1. It's just black. So I don't really know how to start. Maybe I should start by putting a little bit of black eyeshadow around my eyes and then go in with the pencil. That might help it be a bit more smoky, which I think is the way I should go. I'm gonna go into the Revolution Fortune Favours the Brave palette, which I got recently. I love it. All right, there is a black in here. A black aqua. I'm gonna stay really close to the lash line just to pack on the black, and then I will smoke it out. Oh, yes. I think I took it right into the corner of my eye when I used to do this. And I didn't really have like a wing or anything. Just kind of followed my eye. Hello. Just gonna give it a little blend. No, that's too big. This one, okay. Blendy, blendy. Make it a little bit smoky, smoky. Now it's time for the eyeliner. Okay. It's looking good so far. I think the top needs to be more intense. I think I'm gonna go over the eyeshadow with the pencil eyeliner just to make it really dark. Is it getting darker in here? Oh, okay, quickly. You can see me getting back into this, you know. What does it look like on camera? Oh, getting some transfer, which I always used to get on my eyelids from the eyeliner. When I did this as a teenager, I had mascara and I would put mascara on, but because my eyeliner was so thick, you could never see it. So I'm thinking, now that I use false eyelashes sometimes, I'm gonna put some of those on as part of the new makeup and see if you can actually see my eyelashes this time, and it might make it even more intense. I've got the Ardell Natural Multi-Pack, which is looking a bit worse for wear. My elbow is creaking. I'm so old. Okay. All right, next eyelash. All right, we've got eyelashes. That's a first. I think the next main thing to do is the lips. As you saw in my reference photo, I just kind of put like a bit of foundation on my lips. A bit like this. Yeah, it's kind of like that. I just kind of put a bit of foundation on my lips so that they're mostly whited out because I wanted really intense eyes and nothing else on my face. I just wanted you to look at my eyes. So that's kind of how I did it before, but I am intrigued to see how this would look with a dark lip, because that's what I do nowadays. My favourite lip to wear is a dark lip, so why not try it, I suppose. I've got some new Colourpop lipsticks here that I bought recently. I've got Chalk and Roll and Friday. Friday is a black, it's just a normal black, and Chalk and Roll is grey. Oh, it's looking witchy. Oh, okay. Especially with the black eyeliner, this colour, the Chalk and Roll, which is meant to be a grey, looks very green, but it kind of works. Kind of. I think I prefer it without. Do you know what I should add though? I should add a lip ring. I used to be obsessed with these little fake lip rings. Can you see that? Whenever I dared to, I used to wear one on my lip. But nowadays, I wear a septum ring, a fake septum ring. Septum? So let's put one in as a new versus old kind of thing. It's an old thing, but I wear it in a different place nowadays. And I feel like it brings the look together. You know, the last thing left to do, the last thing left to do is to take down my hair. Ooh. One thing that I always had when I was younger, or when I was a teenager I should say, is straight hair. I would not be seen anywhere with my natural hair, and it had to be straight. I never curled it or waved it or anything. I just wanted straight hair. My fringe looks crazy right now. I suppose this is the final look. It's all right, it's very dramatic, very intense. I don't know. You never know. You might see me wearing this look, this makeup look again in the future. Depends on how I feel, I suppose. Tell me what you did when you were a teenager to your face. What makeup did you wear, if any at all, that is completely different to what you do now, and you can't even imagine what, like, doing that nowadays. All right, I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna wear this makeup for the rest of the day. It's not the worst thing I've ever done to my face. The worst thing may be what I did in the last video. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope to see you again in the next one, and I will talk to you again very soon. Bye.